Draw learning. Today we are going to draw a basketball player while we learn Spanish. We draw the hair, that is said, pelo. Now we draw the eyes, which in Spanish is ojos. Now the mouth. Mouth in Spanish is said BOCA. We draw his t-shirt, that in Spanish is said CAMISETA. Now let's draw the ball, that in Spanish is said PELOTA. Let's go with his legs, that in Spanish is said PIERNAS. We draw his shoes. Shoes in Spanish is ZAPATILLAS. Let's draw the basket. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Come on guys, it's looking very good. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say basket in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use this color for skin. Skin in Spanish is said PIEL. Let's go with orange, which in Spanish is naranja. Now we use light blue, that in Spanish is said AZUL CLARO. Let's go with the yellow color, that is said AMARILLO. Let's see if you know the answer. Basket in Spanish is CANASTA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.